Advances in consumer-grade drone technology have enabled anyone to gain access to high-quality drones that can be used for surveillance, delivery, or disruption. Drones can carry explosives, as well as biological or chemical agents. DroneSentinel is a layered, multi-sensor solution that rapidly detects and assesses potential drone threats. This system integrates leading detection technologies such as radar, radio frequency, acoustics, optics, and thermal. Its true power lies with DroneShield's proprietary integrated detection software. DroneShield's graphic user interface compiles and analyzes vast amounts of environmental data to display to users seamlessly and effectively. DroneSentinel harnesses the advantages of each detection technology, providing the user with an early warning system and growing detection threat level as more data is gathered and processed. DroneSentinel can detect and locate multiple simultaneous drone attacks, making it effective against drone swarms. Where legally allowed, DroneSentinel can be combined with an integrated jammer. The resulting product, DroneSentry, provides a complete detect and defeat solution. DroneSentinel can operate as standalone or integrates with existing security systems. Visit DroneShield.com for more information.